Hello, as usual. In this video, you will see the repair of a Redmi 9A phone that fell into the water. After examining it, it turns out that there is a problem with the network. First, we remove the battery cover. Then we dismantle the frame mounting screws. We separate the battery cable, the network cable, connector cable, and we remove the motherboard. After which we begin work on removing the insulator. Don't forget to follow and comment. It is useful. Thank you. And we remove the motherboard. After which we begin work on removing the insulator. After which we begin work on removing the insulator. This is the most difficult process. So that we can reach the network circuit. After careful inspection, here we notice traces of oxidation left by the water reaction. Using the matrix, we measure the electrical elements, most of which are damaged and must be replaced. This is the easy way to micro-weld. Don't forget to follow and comment. It is useful. Thank you. We ray solder the insulator, and this is the correct and easy way to prevent radio interference jamming. We would like to thank all the loyal followers on our page. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to provide valuable content. Thank you for your continued support and wonderful interaction.